from Sydney to Cairns, and we stumble across a guy playing the pipes on the cruise liner terminal. Played him for like 5 minutes and then he's gone. I've not been here for probably 23 years. I came here every day for 4 months. I was reminiscing, bit of looking back, and I guess just being grateful that I was able to have this experience at such a young age, and that shaped my outlook on life and my scale and my sense of what was possible, and that wasn't just the UK, there was other places to go, and from there I travelled 50-60 countries with work and became a cameraman, and was very, very fortunate to have that life. This is the second hotel I worked in back then. It's called the Cairns International, and I've got to say that my time spent working in hospitality gave me such an appreciation of customer service, of just hard work and teamwork, and it was a great experience again to spend time, grinding it out in the hotel. So this used to be called Jimmy's at the Movies, and it was like a burger joint. That's where I cooked and flipped burgers for 3 months while living in Cairns at the cinema here. And I'm so grateful that I had that opportunity. I really did have the best time. Really was an amazing year of my life, 92, 93. And so I think the lesson, if there is one, is that you should trust your gut, follow your dreams, and never for a second stop believing that you can have what you want. I had a ball here, learned to dive, met some amazing friends, worked hard, but I had a great time, and here we are 23 years later, living in Australia, and this dream to live here has become reality. This morning we are heading up the mountains, the rainforest, to a place called Kuranda.
Then Governor of Queensland, Sir Henry.
So we just went on a fairly cool crocodile cruise up the Daintree River and saw a snake and 3 crocodiles. Not a place you want to swim in. Freedom for me isn't about fancy houses, flash cars, expensive stuff. Freedom for me is about taking a week off after Christmas, coming somewhere like this and just absorbing the energy of nature and breathing fresh air, and it's just filling the senses with so many ideas. And that's the thing, to be creative you need to take time out and experience things, and this is one of those moments when we're just in the middle of the rainforest. We just experienced these incredible barren falls, full flood, and you realise just how insignificant we are as humans, and how we need to just appreciate everything we have and the environment we live, because it's just the most stunning and beautiful thing.